Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we're showing you the Ov8 Streamline pole. This is the 35-foot pole. Now this is set up for high pressure cleaning. We've also got it if you wanted to. This is the basic setup. Now we can also make it so it's chemical resistant setup with stainless steel all the way through, so inserts and so on. So on this gun we've got the standard gun, the ST2 3000 with swivel and screw fitting, 22mm. If you wanted to, that can be stainless steel, midi quick releases or whatever suits you. This is screwed on and attached to the gun, so you've got control fully with the gun. Now on this end here we've got the tight swivel elbow system, so that's on a screw fitting, so if you wanted to you can literally attach a brush, or if you wanted to you can do it the turbo nozzle or a vario nozzle, whichever suits you, or if you wanted to you could put this in place, so that would screw into place, so you could have the nozzles on quick release, but the brush would have to be screw fitting so it doesn't start spinning and turning. Now as you look at the system itself, what we've also got here is the pipe that goes up through the middle. So if we look carefully, what we'll see is this pipe here can be disconnected on a quick release. This pipe can be pulled out and it can come down and pull. This top part can then be taken off, unscrewed off, and you've got your normal love feed system if you want to use HYPO and so on. Now like I just said before, if we're doing that, what can happen is if you wanted to, then having the basic setup, we can make this all stainless with chemical resistant gun. So the gun itself is chemical resistant. What would simply happen is you'd have quick release and you'd then make this quick release as well, this hose here. Also the hose that goes up inside the pipe with a brush on the end is also the quick release, and you'd pull it out from the top side. So this is the Ov8. Now the beauty about the Ov8 pole, you'll see you've got a flat side. This is 35 foot. It means there's no movement in compared to all the other poles. The other poles all start to try and turn and spin. On this pole it doesn't happen, with it having two sides, so it keeps itself strong. Obviously your pole looks like it would do normally, and I'm getting absolutely wet through here today, summer's day. And that is the Ov8 setup. Streamline pole with the trigger. So, like I say, if you wanted to, there's nothing to stop you from pulling this fitting out. You would then connect in on this side here. What you'd simply have is this pipe's on a quick release. You would then thread the pipe down, pull the pipe out, thread it up from the bottom upwards, push the pipe through, the normal standard brush on the end, the streamline brush, and you quick release in. That can be done with 2 jets or 4 jets. Now there can be pencil or angle, there's all different options available for yourself, what suits you, and the brush will go into the end of here. Quick release screw fittings, you can have it as wide as you want to, as narrow as you want to, what suits you for your job you're doing, for if you're doing HYPO at high reach. Thank you very much, Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.